I just completed the last step of our V-Story with the V-Story team, and just wanted to say what a great experience this has been for our practice, and what we accomplished with the V-Story that they produced for us is really much more than we expected. The process has been a pleasure. They helped us to design the V-Story and what we wanted to express about our practice to put on the website and to use in our waiting room so patients would feel a little more comfortable with who they were coming to see. And so before we started, we talked about what was important to put on our V-Story. And the V-Story team just did a great job of helping us to get in front of the camera and bring out some of these aspects that we wanted to show. Every shot is beautifully set up. They obviously know how to make a beautiful video as well as one that tells the story that we wanted to tell. And the final product has been awesome. They're wizards at editing, so they really did a great job of putting the things in that mattered. And so the final product is something that we're very proud of. It's been a pleasure. I would definitely recommend their company to anybody who's interested in producing a video that is going to be really necessary in today's times to get your face on the internet and, you know, to help people see what your practice is all about. So again, we've been just thrilled with the results, and the whole process was a lot of fun as well, and I highly recommend the V-Story team.